You wet? Are you washing your shoes? Huh? Right, come on then. That's enough. Hey! Move it. James.
No, you're going to be soaking. We really will have to go home, James. Show's a leg, man.
Come on.
James, come on. Oh, how are you, Steve? I'm not staying. I'm just going to do that.
Come on before you fall over. How are you?
James, get a hold of him.
Come on. Are you wet?
Yeah.